In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add discounts in QuickBooks Online. QuickBooks Online is a powerful tool for managing your business finances, and one of its many features is the ability to easily create and customize invoices. Discounts can be a great way to provide value to your customers, whether it's a percentage off their total or a flat amount. If you don't already have a QuickBooks Online account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and get started. Now, let's dive into the step-by-step process of adding discounts to your invoices. First, log in to your QuickBooks Online account. Once you're in, you'll land on the dashboard, which is your central hub for managing your finances. From here, look to the top left corner of your screen and click the New button. This will open a menu with a variety of options for creating new transactions. Next, from the list of options presented, select Invoice. This will bring you to the invoice creation screen where you can start filling in all the necessary details. Begin by entering the required information, such as the customer's name. If the customer is already in your QuickBooks database, you can simply select their name from the drop-down menu. Then add the products or services you're billing for, making sure to include accurate descriptions and quantities. Don't forget to input the invoice date and the due date to ensure your customer knows when payment is expected. Once you've added all the basic details, scroll down to the bottom of the invoice form. Here, you'll find the Invoice Amount Total section. This is where you'll locate the option to apply a discount. Look carefully for the discount field within this section. It might be a small link or button, depending on your QuickBooks settings. Now, it's time to decide what type of discount you want to apply. QuickBooks gives you two options. You can choose to apply a percentage discount or a flat amount. A percentage discount is useful if you're offering a specific percentage off the total invoice, like 10% or 20%. On the other hand, a flat amount is great for fixed reductions, such as $50 off. Select the option that works best for your situation. After you've chosen the type of discount, enter the discount value. For a percentage, type in the percentage number, such as 10 for 10%. For a flat amount, type in the exact dollar amount you want to deduct. QuickBooks will automatically calculate the adjusted total for you, so you don't need to worry about doing the math yourself. Before you save the invoice, take a moment to carefully review all the details. Double-check the customer name, the products or services listed, the invoice and due dates, and, of course, the discount you've applied. This step ensures that your invoice is accurate and professional before it's sent to your customer. Once you're confident that everything looks good, go ahead and click the Save button. This will finalize and save your invoice in QuickBooks Online. You can then send it to your customer directly from the platform or download it for your records. And that's it. You've successfully added a discount to an invoice in QuickBooks Online. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.